gosh, guys. We're doing it, y'all. We are going to bleach our hair at home. This will be my 5th time doing this. All 4 times in the past, it ended up pretty much yellow. And not exactly the platinum blonde you really want, but it also never burned off or broke or anything, so fingers crossed this one is good. This is my first time using this one. I did use the Manic Panic Blue Lightning once, but this is 40 volume. Most professionals will warn you never, ever, ever to do 40 because the risk of burning and ruining your hair is very real. My hope is that a 40 will give it a little extra lift and will like not have yellow or brassy, but we'll see. As I always say, it's just hair. We're gonna have some fun. I'm just going to be doing the under half. You'll see that I have some left over from the last time I did the half bleach. You can see like from the last one, like it feels good. Like it feels like regular hair. It's not straw or anything. And I have some stuff that I condition it with after I bleach it, so I'll show you that as well. And everything will be linked in video description. If you love how it turns out and you want to try it yourself, shop below, as they say. This is the Manic Panic Amplified Flash Lightning 40 volume. Everything you need is in here, supposedly. We've got the 40 volume cream developer. We've got the bleach powder. So these are going to be mixed, and then you gotta use it all in one go. You cannot save it for later. And it also includes this little brush. We're gonna get started. We're going to section it off first. My hair is super dirty, and the reason they tell you to do unwashed hair, go a few days, is so the oils from your scalp and stuff will kind of like protect your scalp. What do we think? This is good. Okay, we're gonna get my bangs out of the way. I don't want any like spots or stripes or something. And I think we're gonna try to do this little bit here and then the whole way back here. And then this little bit back here, we'll see how it does with the double bleach. That should be interesting. Little science experiment. Here is the tub of bleach powder. So we gotta open this. Oh, look at that. Gloves did come in here. Oh my gosh, and here's the shower cap. I'm just wearing gloves that I had already bought, so that's cool, good to know. Here, we gotta open the bleach powder. Now, we mix. I just don't know about using this brush, but that's how it looks. And I think I might just use my hands. I don't wanna make a mess. Let's see how gloopy it is. Oh, it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. If I'm careful, I won't splatter. I don't know, this brush is too difficult. We're just doing hands now. Let's get that off. Have some wipes nearby to save hair that you bleached by accident and you don't want to actually bleach. Now I'm gonna put one of these over, trap in the heat while it develops. I've gotta let this process at least 10 minutes, maybe 20, maybe 30. I am the queen of 2 birds, 1 stone. So we're gonna use that time for some Dermrays at-home laser hair removal. They did send this a long time ago. It is amazing. Look at this, y'all. Laser in there. On the back, you'll see the cooling symbol. That makes it more comfortable. And then you can change how powerful you want it. This is the Dermrays V8S Enhanced Edition Diode Laser Hair Removal with upgraded TEC cooling. It's optimized for dense hair and larger treatment areas. It is super fast with an 810 nanometer laser targeting follicles deep at the root. It's an amazing at-home hair removal device, and I've got a discount code for you in the video description. Don't forget your toes and your feet. You guys, it's not even been 10 minutes. Look at that. I always struggle because I don't want to go too far and like totally kill the hair, but I've always ended up with like yellow, and I've never ended up with a light enough color where I really, really love the color. Like yellow, it's fine, especially because I color it, generally I put color on top of it, but I wanna go, I don't know. Wow, it's like warm. It is like warm in there. My hair is warm. How? I'm like sweating. This thing is really great at locking in your head heat to help it process, but maybe it is, am I flying a little too close to the sun here? Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh. I'm always like, what's the worst that can happen? It could all burn off and I end up with an undercut, shaving the bottom half of my hair, and I've done that before. It's cute. It's a vibe, so that's the worst that can happen, and honestly, like, whatever. But I would like for this to work out and be a nice color, so it's been 10 minutes, and I think I'm gonna wash it out. I think I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna risk it. I'd rather have yellow hair than no hair, right? What do we think? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. All right, here is the grand reveal. It's not too dramatic until until we put our hair up or we style it or something, but yes, came out really great. It is yellow. I didn't let it process long enough, or maybe I did, you know, I'm always just so scared to go too far, but I love this color. I wouldn't love the color if it was like my whole head, but it's great as a lightened base for doing funky colors, pinks and purples and reds and all that. And then it's also fun just to let it be here, like a layering kind of thing. Like, how fun. It's not perfect, do you see? Like, it's, but who sees that? I mean, nobody's gonna even see that. So that's where it's, the whole thing is like good enough, right? I don't need perfect, you don't need perfect. I don't want to spend $300 and hours at the salon. I can do it myself and I have fun and I love it. Couple of tips. This is a must. Olaplex or something similar that is marketed towards repairing and saving bleached hair. Because when you shampoo, this is like the weirdest cement kind of feeling. You're like, oh my gosh, this hair is like dead and awful. But then you put on your conditioner and it's okay. Okay, but this, as soon as I am done bleaching, and I've been using this every time I've bleached for the past 5 times now, and it is so amazing. It keeps my hair feeling like hair. It feels exactly the same. It looks exactly the same. Like, I was sent this to review 5 years ago or something, but honestly, I love this stuff. I use it the first time I bleach, and then like often that's enough, but sometimes I'll do it the next shampoo just to like really get it. And then if you notice it start getting dry again, like you can just keep using it. You wash, you towel dry, and then you soak it in this and you leave it on at least 10 minutes. You could sleep overnight in it if you're really bad. But yeah, it keeps it so nice. So that's a must. I will link that below, and I will link below the Manic Panic Bleach I used, and what else, my trifold mirror, all the stuff. Let me know if you have any questions about the hair, about the laser, and stay tuned because I will be coloring this soon, I think, or maybe we'll just leave it this kind of Cruella de Vil 2-color kind of thing. I like it. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun and got inspired.